In a forward 1031 exchange, you sell your relinquished property first and then purchase your replacement property second. A reverse exchange allows you to close on your replacement property first and sell your relinquished property second. There can be a number of benefits to doing this type of exchange, but there are also a few challenges. The first challenge to the reverse exchange is that the IRS says you can't hold title to your relinquished property and your replacement property at the same time. To solve this, First American Exchange Company creates an EAT, or an exchange accommodation title holder, in the form of an LLC to temporarily take title to your replacement property. The second challenge is that since you haven't sold your relinquished property yet, you don't have that money to purchase your replacement property. So you'll need to come up with the money for your replacement property separate from your sale property proceeds. The first closing in a reverse exchange, typically the closing in which the EAT takes title to the replacement property, starts your 1031 exchange timeline. In this structure, you have 45 days to identify the relinquished property you wish to sell, and 180 days to complete the sale and acquire the replacement property from the EAT. You can also structure a reverse exchange so that the EAT temporarily takes title to the relinquished property. Reverse exchanges require more planning than a forward exchange, so contact First American Exchange Company before you start the process.